Let's start with the trending CapCut effect everyone's using, the negative text effect. For this one, I'm using my review video of the Scorp Mini 3 Pro, and here is how it looks before I add any text. I didn't think I needed another gimbal until I got my hands on this one. And honestly, it's different. Like someone is actually listening to what creators want. Step 1. Head over to the text tab and tap on auto captions. Then just hit generate and give it a few seconds. It will quickly create captions for your video. You can also remove filler words here if you want to clean things up a bit. Next, tap on styles and go to the aesthetic tab. Scroll down until you find this template. It's been all over social media lately and looks really clean. I didn't think I need. Once that's applied, you can move the captions around and position them however you like. But to get that negative text effect, go to animations, tap on captions, and now you'll see a few negative style text animations. Pick one that fits your vibe, and just like that, it looks awesome. When you're done, save. Here is the final result after adding the captions. I didn't think I needed another.